Hello and welcome to another episode of Cole's Off-Road Adventure. And today it's mechanic weekend. So working on my Jeep, I'm working on 3 other vehicles after this, so it's quite busy. And it's Sunday and I have work tomorrow, so we gotta get going. So right now we are gonna get started on my front pinion of my Jeep, and so I can get a new drive shaft for the front, so it's actually 4-wheel drive. 2-wheel Jeeps are kind of useless in some certain occasions. Alright, let's get started. So I just gotta get that bolt off right there, and to get that bolt I just had to use some conventional means to get the bolt exposed. I had to use a little impact driver. Had to borrow this from work, but it should do the job, and hopefully I don't have to chuck up the wheels. So I made sure this bolt was the same exact size, and make sure this is reversed, which it is. And just like that, it comes out with ease. Remove this adapter. It's simple as beating on it until it comes loose. Just like that. To simply remove your pinion seal is you just use a nice flathead screwdriver and a hammer. Just go all the way around this, and hopefully when I get around it, it'll just pop right out. Sorry for the background noise. My folks are doing some lawn work. So what I figured out to remove this pinion seal the easiest is you do exactly, go all the way around with your screwdriver, and then you go with some type of like maybe flat bar, and you hammer these sides in, and then you use a vice grip, tighten it to its tightest settings, and it should wiggle right out. So with that said, you can see my progress right here. I tried to cut it right in half. I was just like, that's not gonna work. So in the background, I got the new pinion around the back side of the pinion. Excuse the lawnmower. So when you put in the new seal, make sure you go around with it with some Permatex Ultra Black, so it seals around, just to make sure you don't have premature leakage. As well as to getting that pinion on, I used just a little copper pipe. You can also use some hardwood. Don't use softwood. Pine doesn't work. I tried. And before you put on your pinion, make sure you clean it up with some brake clean or whatever. And then right now I'm going to top off the diff, and we're good to go on this. So I'm also topping off all the axles here, just as preventative. But so this is called a Dana 44 HD, which is a aluminum housed. They are terrible because they break shafts if you're not careful with them. So I'm going to just top this one off. I also put a little magnet right here just to catch any debris from this. So I'm going to top this off and put the little rubber plug in and call it a day. And just like that, when there's fluid coming out, you put it in the hole. So this diff is done. So I got my handy dandy computer here and got my measurements for my new front drive shaft, and it became 33 inches from the axle to the transfer case. And so hopefully it will come in a week's time in the mail. If not, it will be 2 weeks, and by then I believe that date is drag nights, Friday night drags over in Grand Junction, which I will join with my good buddy Jacob, which I desperately need to hang out again with, and I will have a video on that, dragging my Jeep. I don't know how fast I'll go. I'll probably go mid-15s with the altitude. So regardless, I hope you will enjoy that video.
If you want more content like this, car-related repair, or off-road adventures that I usually do every weekend, please let me know down in the comments. Regardless though, please give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.